Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to put a timer on Google Form quiz. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to click on the three dot option over here at the top. Then click on Get Add-ons. Then at the search bar, you want to search for Timer for Google Forms. And you want to install this specific add-on, so just click on Install. Then you want to go ahead and choose your account. After that, just click on Done. Then close the window. Then you want to click on this puzzle piece up here. Then click on Timer for Google Forms. Click on Open. And after that, you can already choose over here the time limit for your quiz. It could be up to a few minutes, or it could also be as long as an hour or more. And after you've chosen your time limit, you're going to click on Preview down here. Then it will open a new tab of the preview of your Google Form. And as you can see, there is already a timer. So if you're already good with that, you're gonna go back. Then you're going to click on copy link here, and that's the link that you want to distribute. And also, you can also put some instructions over here if you want. You're just gonna go ahead and edit that, and after you've edited that, just click on save, and that's it. Thanks for watching.